Hi, welcome to my channel. Kind of relaunching this as I will be working at home for the next few weeks. I'm going to be putting out a lot of new content for my students and kind of hope that other students and teachers might find this and make use of it. My son said I needed a better channel name, so rebranding as HoverCraft Physics and Chemistry because my name is Cale Hover. If you're using it, I would love for you to subscribe, comment on the videos, ask me questions. Give me encouragement, make requests, and I'll try to respond to those. So hopefully it's something that you can use over the next few weeks and might make your life a little bit easier and help you learn as well. So thank you and enjoy.